Hello everyone at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repair channel. Today we have Samsung Note 20 Ultra. The FPC charging connector is broken, and in addition to that there are some components missing beside the connector. So what we are going to do, we will compensate these components and then we'll add a new FPC charging connector port. If you have any Samsung iPhone motherboard issue and you need your data or it's not working motherboard, you can bring it to our store at the Richmond Hill, Ontario. We do all this kind of repair here. It's better if you book an appointment through our website, maplelaptopservices.com, or you can just give us a call at 416-587-7105. You can Google our website. You can Google our store name is Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs. We do laptop, MacBook, motherboard repair tool, water damage and liquid damage. We fix all this stuff here. So after we removed the broken piece, so now we re-ball the connector again in order to put like a new connector, the FPC connection. We need to make sure all the soldering connection pads in the motherboard, it has soldering already, so in this it will be easier to connect the new connector. Hello. Thank you for watching. This is the phone is charging now.